What parts does a portable toilet have?
How do you need to prepare it?
How do you use it?
Where can you empty the wastewater from the cassette?
Hi, my name is Leo,
My name is Erka.
and we created this YouTube channel for all travelers around the world. We are sharing tips and tricks, our experiences, and in today's video we are going to talk about portable toilet. So let's go!
What parts does the portable toilet have? So, we have the upper part and the bottom part, so it has only two parts. On the top you have opening and closing lid, you have a seat for your comfort. Also you have here, it's a flushing system, so if you press it, it flush. Here is the water tank, so it stores the flushing water. And on the bottom part, this is the wastewater tank. It's called cassette, and it has this pulling handle which is opening and closing the toilet.
How do you need to prepare it? It's pretty easy. You just open the lid from the water tank, add 10 liters of water and 100 milliliters of this purple liquid for 10 liters of water. Add it there, close it. So it's really easy. You can try if it works. So here is a flushing system. Pull it and you see it's flushing. We've got closed the handle, so when I open it, it's there. The second part is to add 100 milliliters of wastewater sanitizer. So it's 100, so we just open it, add it there. It's there, and now we just flush 2-3 times, so everything is there. Amazing. So we've got it, and that's all. Close it. So this purple liquid keeps everything clean and makes it smell a little bit better. Trust us, it works. And the second one, for a wastewater tank, kills all the germs, remove odors, and ensure the waste and the toilet paper are disposed of safely and quickly.
How do you use it? Simple. Open the cassette, just pull the handle, then the cassette is opened, lift up the lid, you can do your business. Then you need to flush, so flush a few times, you can check it out that it's clean. And then you just pull the handle. Everything is in the bottom part, it's closed, so it's all safe.
And how can you empty the wastewater from the cassette? It's pretty easy. You just unlock upper body from the bottom part. So you just unlock it on the both sides. Be sure that the handle is closed. Out. Here is a lid. And now you're going on a dump station. Open the lid. Pour it out. And after that, usually on the dump stations you have water. You can clean your tank, wastewater tank. Close it, and it's done for the next use. So you just bring it back. Be sure that everything is closed, like the lid and handle. And also lock both parts. This is a chemical toilet, so please remember that you need to empty it only on authorized spots called dump stations. which will have a specific signs. It looks like this or similar. These places can be at a petrol station or somewhere in the middle of nowhere.
We hope this video helps you understand much more better how to use the toilet in your camper van and makes everything much more easier for you. If you like us, please give us a thumb and subscribe, we really appreciate that. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.
Cheers.